Are you happy right now? Why not? Because my room is not clean. What's up? I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope that inspires you guys maybe to clean up your room, add some like cute little things to your room, make it a little more homely and interesting. I want to say a special thanks to Hubert. He got me this cool ass hat. This is my YouTube thingy. It's probably backwards because I'm using the selfie mode, but yeah, I got this for my birthday. Love you, Hubert. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll see you in the next video.